Alright, one issue that I knew I was going to have with the seat is that it's a little wide and actually makes contact with the door. So it's started to actually clearance itself here, but I don't want to have to deal with that. So when I close it, you can see the actual seat move. So to deal with the seat hitting the door, I went and bought these LRB door cards. These things are aluminum. And they're real thin, so they should sit a lot more flush with the actual door and give more room for the door itself. Now, I don't have anything else that's like aluminum in the car, so I went and got this vinyl, which I don't know if you're going to see. It's a faux leather vinyl. I don't really have anything really leather in the car outside the steering wheel, but I figured this, if I put this on the door cards, will look better than the bare aluminum here. And then also the edges here, they did a real nice job cutting this, but some of the edges are a little sharp. So I went and got this where's the end here? This stuff, I really don't even remember what it's called, but it's got this little channel in here that has like a little locking tongue, which I can't tell if, maybe a little bit. But so this will lock onto the edge. After I put the vinyl on, I'll put this on around the edge and kind of just add a little bit. I don't know if it might help finish it or something, but hopefully it just keeps it from being able to someone getting in and kind of snag themselves, and hopefully it looks a little bit better. So this I have power windows and no power locks. So really this just has a hole for the latch or the door handle, and then a hole for the speaker. So this also comes with these straps, and then here's all the hardware for it. So I'm going to attempt to get started on the vinyl now and see how that works out, and if that works, then we'll go ahead and install this.